Modern cars can drive and park themselves, alert you if there's traffic up ahead, and even warm your tush to a different temperature than your passengers. Too bad they still can't keep your iced tea icy. A trip to the beach normally involves a heavy, ice-filled cooler that too often portends soggy contents when you arrive. On the other hand, keeping your takeout warm usually means cranking the heat and suffering through a sweaty ride home. We plugged in the personal fridge and warmer from Wagon to see if the company's solution left us hot or cold, or hopefully both. The Wagon fridge warmer we reviewed had a 14-liter capacity, but the company offers an array of sizes from up to 14 liters is a good size. However, it's shaped like a printer or perhaps a small treasure chest, weighs in at a meager 8 pounds, and is easy to transport even at full capacity. At 18.5 inches long and 10.6 inches wide, the Wagon personal fridge warmer fits nicely in the middle seat or cargo area of most passenger cars and SUVs. On the exterior, the unit is constructed of durable plastic that's easy to clean and includes 2 cup holders on the top. The front has controls to change from off to warming or cooling modes, as well as a front fan vent to dispel heat. The fan emits some noise, but it wasn't loud enough to be distracting. Jessica Lee Star Digital Trends. The system comes with a 9-foot cord to plug the Wagon into any 12-volt car system. The cord stores inside a compartment on the top of the unit for transportation. Wagon also includes a strap to attach to the front and back of the unit for easy transportation. The Wagon 14-liter personal fridge warmer found itself at home in the middle of the rear seat in my 2012 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. The cord was well within reach of the 12 volts power socket in my center console, even packed to the brim with tuna salads and RC Cola. That's how I roll. The unit was still light and slick enough to move around quite a bit while turning and braking. The strap, which is clearly meant to carry the fridge warmer, can be used to fasten it down to a car seat or armrest and avoid having your lunch strewn across.